This message is broadcasted at the request of the United States government. An unknown creature has ascended into the sky and has ripped open what appears to be a portal to another dimension. The being appears to have great power and hostile intentions. There also appears to be flying creatures that turn people into stone. Remain indoors at all times and go to a basement or any underground shelter until further notice. If you do not have an underground shelter, put heavy objects in front of doors and windows or anywhere leading outside. Keep as much distance from you and outside as possible. Do not attempt to apprehend the creature as the capability of his powers are unknown at this time. Bring a battery-powered radio with you for further updates of the situation. President Donald Trump will be making a speech regarding the situation momentarily. All regular television or radio broadcasting will halt for this special announcement.